Hi guys, this is a scam that is happening right now in the internet. One guy, as you can see, if you will transfer any money from the phone pay to another guy, means you will get a message like this from the Chrome. If you will click on this, means you will get a scratch card. Okay, I'll scratch it. As you can see, I got 1906 rupees. So I will click on the button send price money in bank, and after that you can see here it is showing 100 and 1906 transfer to your bank account. It's not transferred to your bank account, it will go from your account to the scammer account. Please don't be scammed by this guy. Like if you'll click on this send button at the bottom, means your account money 1906 will go to the scammer's account. That money will not come to your account, so be aware of this. And thanks for watching guys, please subscribe. Thank you.